moving to or from college. Whether you're a freshman, transfer student, or graduating senior, the transition doesn't have to be stressful. Our college moving service in Charlotte, North Carolina is built specifically for students and families who need a smooth, fast, and organized move-in or move-out. We know campus logistics, dorm access rules, move-in schedules, parking restrictions, tight hallways, elevators, and heavy student traffic. That's why our team handles everything for you: packing, loading, secure transportation, unloading, and even furniture setup. From mini fridges and electronics to full dorm rooms and apartment moves, we make the process easy, safe, and efficient. Whether you're relocating across campus, across Charlotte, or across the state, our movers work quickly, communicate clearly, and treat your belongings with care. Tight timelines? No problem. We coordinate pre-planned routes and offer same-day and next-day availability, perfect for last-minute moves or unexpected changes. Students deserve reliable service without the high price tag. That's why our pricing is transparent, fair, and always student-friendly. No hidden fees, ever. We're fully licensed, insured, and trusted by hundreds of families and local universities. With a safe, GPS-tracked fleet and a team trained for campus environments, we guarantee a stress-free relocation from start to finish. Whether you're moving into a dorm, out of student housing, or into your first apartment, we're here to help you move forward, easily, safely, and affordably. Call today to get your quote and book your college move in Charlotte, North Carolina.